Have you been gripping the wrong handle this whole time? Watch this. The handle you choose decides the muscle you hit. Save this and come back stronger. If you want your back to grow, start by doing this correctly. Lats, traps, rear delt, deltoids. Save this and come back stronger. You're not doing it wrong, but you could be doing it better. Watch this. Teres major, deltoid, middle, lats. Think you've been doing it right? You're close, but here's how to make it perfect. Save this and come back stronger. Are you making this common seated cable row mistake? Watch this.